Hello everyone, welcome back to Mario Spooky Time, or welcome if this is your first time being here. Today we are unboxing an animatronic that I got from a garage sale that I found on Facebook Marketplace. I did do a unboxing of the other animatronic that I did get from that garage sale. If you haven't seen that, check out my previous video. But as you can see from the thumbnail and title, we are doing a unboxing and assembly and demo video for Captain Cuts from Home Depot 2024. This is one that we wanted to get last year, but he sold out every time we wanted to get him. So he, like I said, I got him at a garage sale. They did not have the box or instructions. They did have him displayed and set up, plugged in, so I was able to check that he was working, and he was. So today we're gonna set him up. We don't have any instructions, so stay tuned for his assembly and demo. Alright, so I got his base there, and then I got the other items here laid out. I didn't take them out of the box because, like I said, it doesn't come with the original box. So it didn't really matter what. You won't be pulling the items out as I was, because I don't have the original box. But look at this face. So detailed, and those eyes are so cool. His hair is a little crazy. Very detailed face. So we got the body part, sword, parrot, leg pulls, arm pulls here. Costume and the boots. The boots are really good material. This is like thick. So we're gonna try to put them together without any instructions. Luckily, Home Depot does letter their items, so maybe we can go in order. Hopefully, we do everything correct and we get everything working. So let's start with the legs. So obviously that is A, so we're looking for B parts. Right, so we have D, let's see what's in here. So we have two B parts, and they will go into the base. They snap lock in. Then we'll put the boots. So we got D here, which I'm guessing is one of these legs. Not that one, but this one, to match the snap lock here. We got his legs up. Then let's put the foam back. The foam kind of got all bent in the box, but that's all right. All right, and then I am assuming now we put on his pants. Yep, E, then F. So they do this very user-friendly. You don't have to have the instructions. It's always good to keep them just in case. But in the case where you find your animatronics at a garage sale and they don't have them, hopefully they have the letters on them. So I'm gonna put his pants on and be right back. Now the very cool thing is that the pants actually have Velcro to Velcro onto the boots. That is a very nice addition that they did. Alright, so we got his boots and pants Velcroed in. Next would be the hip piece, and that will snap lock onto these legs here. So I will be back after I do that. Alright, so we got the hip piece on. Now we're gonna put the body part on. And that, there's a, if you can see, there's a hole there. So we just put that on and then snap lock it in place here. Now this, I don't know if it's bent or if it's supposed to be like that, because he's like tilting a little bit, so I guess that would make sense. This piece, I do remember, was connected here, so I might have to undo him again so I can get that piece on the other side of this pull. 1 second. All right, so I got this on the other side of this pull. All I had to do was take the pin off, slide this into that, and then put the pin back on. All right, so we got the jacket on. So next I'm gonna be sliding the arms through the sleeves and attaching them. The arms are very simple and easy to tell, even if you don't have the sticker. Obviously he's standing this way, so his arm would face, it would go on this side, you know. Very easy, so I will slip them through the sleeves and attach them. All right, so that is up, that is attached. So while we are here, we can plug this part in. I'll do that right now. All right, so same for this side. We got him plugged up and assembled. So now let's add the hands. All right, so we got this hand here with the sword, and this sword is very, very detailed. It looks so cool. Hand looks like ginormous. So with the hand, you take the pin off, slide it in, and then put the pin on. Just like that. And while we're here, there's a plug, so we plugged them up. Then there's Velcro here. So we want to match the Velcro here in his sleeve. And then we'll do the same to the other hand. And the other hand has his hook. And we'll do the exact same thing here. All right, so we have his hands together. Let's go ahead and add his little parrot friend here. All right, so we got his parrot friend on. There was just a little standy thingy there that you put him on. So next I'm going to put the adapter and plug up any wires in the back. All right, so the adapter is in the control box, and then these wires are plugged up. They are color coded, and you can also match them with the number of wires there. So pretty easy. So now we're gonna put his head on, And God, I can't get over this detail in his face. Very realistic. So this, you just slide in and then tighten it with the screw here in the back. So I'll do that right now. All right, so his head is on, and so now I'll Velcro up the jacket. All right, so his head is on, and now all we need is his captain hat with the rest of his hair. So I'll put that on now. All right, so we got his hat on. A little bit in the back, the Velcro got stuck to his hair, so it's no longer attached to his head. So I'll have to super glue that to his head again to make sure the hat in the back is sturdy enough when he's moving his head. So during the demo, if we see the hat fall, that's why. But yeah, we got him all situated here. This is him put together. So let's go ahead and plug him in and start the demo. All right, so he is plugged in. Let's see what he does.
Don't be jumping ship now, landlubber. We be setting sail for distant ports unknown. We're out to find the greatest treasure. I don't care who I have to cut down until it's mine, even if that includes you.
Very cool. I didn't know his sword and hook light up.
Only rum can slake me first. So pour me some now before ye join those scurvy dogs in Davy Jones's locker. I'll drink every tavern dry and cut every enemy down till I'm satisfied. If ye ain't a partial honest pillaging, ye pop scoundrel, then ye can walk the plank. But empty your pockets first, as you won't be needing any coin where you're going. Dead men tell no tale. You done found me secret map, and I can't be having that information leaking anywhere. You should have thought about your life before you dared to find me traitor. Here be another scallywag to join me crew. Step in line and hop to, or I'll cut ye down and swab the deck with your entrails. Don't be jumping ship now, landlubber. We be setting sail for distant ports unknown. We're out to find the greatest treasure. I don't care who I have to cut down until it's mine, even if that includes you! Only rum can slake me first, so pour me some now before ye join those scurvy dogs in Davy Jones's locker. I'll drink every tavern dry and cut every enemy down till I'm satisfied. Only rum can slake me thirst, so pour me some now before ye join those scurvy dogs in Davy Jones's locker. I'll drink every tavern dry and cut every enemy down till I'm satisfied.
Alright guys, so that was the demo of the 2024 Captain Cuts animatronic from Home Depot. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I got a really good deal on him. I got him for only $100. And there's no beating that price, I think. His eyes move like all over the place. His head goes from side to side. His body moves as well. His arms, his hand, his sword and hook light up. So yeah, he has a lot of detail, very detailed. I just can't get over the face. The sword yeah. So regular price, we really wanted to get him, but he kept selling out super quick. So for 100, that's Nosferatu. If you watch the other video, you see his assembly and demo. But yeah, for $100, I could not pass it up at all. And we also have the like the Pirate's First Mate from last year of Home Depot, and also the wheel, the ship wheel animatronic. So he's gonna go good with our pirate theme. I also did get from Spirit Halloween those seagulls that they had, like the zombie seagulls. So yeah, we're gonna have our little pirate section. I'm gonna try to find a skeleton mermaid, and I do want to try to get the Kraken from Lowe's if they bring it back. I know they posted it on the website the other day, and it like sold out quickly again. So yeah, I am super excited to have this guy in our animatronic collection, and he's gonna look great in our display outside. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It's nice to see that you can do these things without instructions. Home Depot really makes it, like I said, user-friendly with adding the letters. And even if it's not, like, you're able to figure it out, even if it's not lettered. So lots of detail, lots of movement, and super easy assembly. You cannot beat these animatronics for sure. Home Depot really did such a good job, and I cannot wait to see what else they come out with this year, or what they actually come out with this year, New Year. So I will let you guys go, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and stay spooky, guys. Bye.